The PUREPLUS one-stage whole-house filter is expertly designed to remove impurities like sediment, rust, and heavy metals from well water, ensuring every tap in your home delivers crystal-clear water. Constructed with high-quality materials, this filter housing is built to last, offering reliable performance and reducing the need for frequent replacements. Enjoy optimal water pressure throughout your home with the high flow rate design, which ensures you can use multiple faucets simultaneously without a noticeable drop in pressure. Installation is a breeze with the included heavy-duty steel mounting bracket, wrench, and screws, making it easy to set up and replace the filter cartridge. The filter housing is versatile, accommodating all standard 10-inch by 4.5-inch filters, providing multiple choices to meet the diverse needs of different households. PUREPLUS has engineered this filter to be both effective and user-friendly, making it a top choice for families looking to improve their home's water quality.